Alright, today's... Oh, I'm not looking at the right person. Hang on. Quick. There I am. Today is July 3, 2010, 5:35 p.m. and it is pouring down rain.
Hi!
Hey, there's a person there. There's an Alec. Since it's pouring down rain, we have waterproof firecrackers. Unnecessary zoom. And a windproof blowtorch. We found a, wait for it, launch tube. Heavy metal launch tube. Makes loud noise when you drop firecracker in there. It also creates a pressure wave, which Alec will demonstrate by doing what?
By putting the cup on top of the thing.
How does the cup turn into a rocket? Very good. That's our science lesson for today. Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to do this without dropping the phone. Not really.
I can hold it.
I got it. There we go. Okay. Whoops. Get in
Kids,
position.
do not try this at home.
Yes, we're what you can call untrained professionals. Okay, make a hole. Get in position. Cup, firecracker.
Cup
Ready?
plus firecracker equals.
In 3, 2, 1. Ah, shucks. Loud.
Fail. Major fail.
I missed.
Dun, dun,
User
dun.
error. Try again. In 3, 2, 1.
Launch. Whee. Our science experiment works.
Expanding gas creates pressure which pushes the loose object off. And that is our 5:30 science lesson for today.